Alright, so welcome back everyone to our another episode of this micro quick learning on SAP on YouTube directly on Srijan Institute and Training Center YouTube channel. So in this particular episode we are going to discuss one of the most buzzing concept in the today's market, which is SAP Build. So what is this SAP Build all about? So before understanding that, let's try to understand what is the need of it. So earlier you see ABAP programming was the only major programming language in the SAP system. Then we moved down to SAP S4 HANA. There Fiori came into picture for front-end development, right? Fiori is again completely pro code development. If you are a complete pro JavaScript developer, then and only then you can learn Fiori and you can learn UI5 to develop those front-end applications. So over the period of time, what SAP realizes that not everyone can learn this programming language so deeply. That is why what they did, they followed the concept of low code programming and no code approach. So using this SAP Build, they developed a new technology on their SAP BTP platform, which is business technology platform, where we can directly develop the application without any programming knowledge. Yes, whatever you are hearing is completely right. Without knowledge of any programming, we can develop this application. So SAP Build Apps is comes under the umbrella of SAP Build, where we can develop all these transactional applications or whatever SAP application are there directly on our SAP BTP platform without any programming language. With just knowledge of proper drag and drop, we can connect them with our S4 HANA on-premise system via cloud connector, and we can get the data from our HANA database directly. So all these data that we see there, we can use them in our application that we will be developing via SAP Build Apps, and then we can simply host this SAP Build application directly on our SAP Cloud Work Zone. There on the BTP, there is a work zone which is like a Fiori launchpad on the cloud platform, which we are supposed to use. This SAP Build is getting popular day by day. If you want to learn, you can join our Srijan Institute and Training Center. We are going to teach you completely end to end from scratch till end. So again, this build is very interesting in nature. Without any programming language, you can develop Fiori apps, you can develop front-end application, you can develop full stack application as well with this build apps coming into picture. Alright, thank you.